let's talk about the immune system and let's explore innate and adaptive immunity. So first we need to understand the innate immune system. So structures of the innate immunity. The innate immune system comprises various structures including physical barriers such as skin and mucous membranes, as well as specialized cells like macrophages and neutrophils that play key roles in pathogen recognition and response. Functions of innate immune structures. Innate immune structures function to prevent pathogen entry and eliminate established infections. They initiate inflammatory responses, recruit immune cells, and produce cytokines to communicate with other immune responses, enhancing overall defense. Recognition of pathogens by innate cells. Innate immune cells recognize pathogens through pattern recognition receptors, PRRs, that detect pathogen-associated molecular patterns, PAMPs. This ability allows rapid identification and response to various pathogens, including bacteria and viruses. Response mechanisms. Upon recognition of pathogens, innate immune cells activate through a series of mechanisms, including phagocytosis, degranulation, and the release of cytokines. These responses aim to contain infection, promote inflammation, and attract adaptive immune cells. Let's talk about the adaptive immune system and how it differs. Colonial expansion. It's the process by which specific B or T lymphocytes rapidly proliferate upon encountering their corresponding antigen. This results in a large population of identical cells that can effectively target and eliminate pathogens. So this can occur in your thyroid. Here's the role of antibodies. Antibodies are proteins produced by B cells that play a crucial role in pathogen inactivation. They neutralize toxins, opsonize pathogens for phagocytosis, and activate the complement system to clear infections. And the mechanisms are antibodies inactivate pathogens through three primary mechanisms. Neutralization prevents pathogen entry, opsonation marks pathogens for destruction by immune cells, and complement activation enhances pathogens clearance by lysing cells or promoting inflammation. Lysing cells is just cutting them open. Lyse. They rhyme. T-cell responses. Killer T cells or cytotoxic T lymphocytes directly attack and destroy infected or cancerous cells. They recognize specific antigens presented by infected cells utilizing perforins and granzymes to induce apoptosis, ultimately limiting pathogen spread and enhancing immune clearance. T-cell helper responses. Helper T cells are essential in activating other immune cells, including B cells and macrophages. By releasing cytokines, they facilitate the proliferation of B cells for antibody production and enhance phagocytosis, ensuring a robust immune response against pathogens. Let's talk about the integration of the immune responses. How do they work together? Innate immune cells activate adapted responses by presenting antigens to T cells, leading to a tailored immune reaction. It's kind of like saying, here's antigen. They carry it kind of on the outside and they kind of stick to them, and it's kind of like, here, you deal with this. But this interaction enhances pathogen recognition and promotes an effective immune memory for quicker responses in future encounters, which is why we get vaccines. So a coordinated immune response ensures efficient elimination of pathogens while minimizing tissue damage. The timely activation of both innate and adaptive immunity plays a crucial role in maintaining system homeostasis and resolving infections effectively.